political controversy that's doing the round, and it could doing the rounds, and it could have far-reaching consequences as well, politically speaking, in the run-up to 2024 Lok Sabha elections. The Congress brand of saffron politics is out on display once again, even as the Gehlot government in Rajasthan filed a complaint against Dhirendra Shastri, also known as Baba Bageshwar, for alleged hate speech in Udaipur in March this year itself. In Madhya Pradesh, State Congress Chief Kamal Nath, along with his MP son Nakul Nath, was seen welcoming and performing the Aarti of Dhirendra Shastri. Kamal Nath had extended an invitation to Baba Bageshwar to Chindwara earlier for his 3-day Ram Katha program. His son Nakul Nath has organized this 3-day religious event at a massive venue close to the Hanuman temple, which was built by Kamal Nath. Why are we drawing this stark contrast? There are reasons more than one. Remember, the head priest of Bageshwar Dham, Dhirendra Shastri, had publicly vowed to work for a Hindu Rashtra, and his statement had also invited ridicules from a section of the Congress party in Madhya Pradesh. This, though, has given fresh ammunition to the BJP, which has accused the Congress of duplicity, alleging that it's playing the Hindutva card as elections are drawing closer in the state. Meanwhile, when confronted, Kamal Nath says that the BJP has a problem if any Congress leader visits a temple, but rebuts, saying the BJP must know it's not the sole proprietor of Hindutva.
मैंने 13-14 साल पहले हनुमान मंदिर बनाया, सबने देखा है उनके पेट में क्यों दर्द होता है। मैं मंदिर जाता हूँ, बीजेपी के पेट में दर्द होता है। मैं कोई प्रार्थना करता हूँ, बीजेपी के पेट में दर्द होता है।
The BJP has hit back at the Congress party, reminding it of Kamal Nath's controversial statement from 2018 when he said that the Congress party could suffer huge loss in elections if 90% of the Muslims don't vote for it. Listen into this BJP's latest attack.
कथा पे मैं कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करूंगा, लेकिन उनके नेता ही संतों पे कौन कौन सी टिप्पणियां करते हैं वो जरा कमलनाथ जी, वो कांग्रेस और कमलनाथ जरा याद कर लें। टीकमगढ़ जिले के ही एक ऐसे संत जिनका सारा देश आदर करता है, उनके बारे में उनके एक साथी जो नेता प्रतिपक्ष है वो क्या कहते हैं और इनने ही क्या कहा था। देखिए, हम संतों का सम्मान करते हैं हृदय से, श्रद्धा के कारण, लेकिन वो आज ये देख के कि वोटों का योग है कुछ कर लो।
देखिए, चुनाव आता है तो कथा कराने में सब लोग लग जाते हैं। इनका असली रूप आप भी और भारत की जनता भी जान चुकी है। चुनाव आता है तो कथा वाचन के लिए सभी को बुलाते हैं और चुनाव के पहले उन्हीं लोगों पर अनेक तरीके के प्रश्न का प्रहार करते हैं और चुनाव के बाद धर्म को पूरी तरह से भूल जाते हैं।